Sana padala tayo ng Chinese Embassy kasi sabi nila, mission complete na lang yung marine scientific research na ginawa nila. No? And kung ang ginawa talaga nila is for the conservation or preservation ng environment and for the benefit of the world, it would be a good idea for the Chinese Embassy to share with us yung mga data na nakuha nila sa paggawa ng illegal MSR sa Bajo de Masinloc. Alam mo, para sa akin, ayoko mag-speculate kung ano talagang gusto nilang gawin doon. For us, we address the illegal actions of the People's Republic of China as they come. But of course, we always wanted the world to know whatever is happening. That's why we keep on exposing all those things that they're doing in the West Philippines. On the part of the national government agencies, ng Philippine Coast Guard, and of course, the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, ay patuloy pa rin tayong magkakandak ng MDA flight to monitor Bajo de Masinloc and other maritime features sa West Philippine Sea. And of course, continuously conduct sovereign patrols na ginagawa ng ating mga barko sa West Philippine Sea.